The creative process of an artist is one that intrigues everybody, and it seems like such a mystery that it really fascinates people. Every artist has their own unique creative process, and mine usually starts with a need to capture a moment. Using colours, brushstrokes, and energy, I try and give that painting a feeling, instead of only focusing on the subject and its lightness. Rather than sketching or rigidly planning out my paintings, my approach to the canvas is spontaneous, which feels really exciting to me. It's like walking down a secret path that you're discovering for the very first time. If my paintings were completely planned out, I probably wouldn't even feel the need to create them anymore. And I understand that that's completely different to many other artists and their process, which is why I find the process so captivating. I really feel that creating art is a kind of therapy, and it still amazes me how my paintings can often reflect my mood, even though I don't realise it at the time. The certain colours I've chosen or the way I've applied the paint, it all comes naturally in that moment, and every time I paint I feel like I learn more and more about myself. The process is so raw and you really can't hide from it. That's why painting for me feels so exhausting sometimes, because not only does it require physical energy, but it can also be really draining emotionally. I'd love to hear what your creative processes are if you are a painter or a musician or a writer, any kind of creative practice. I find it so fascinating and would love to hear about your experiences and how you approach creation. So I really want to thank you all for your amazing continued support, and I really hope that you enjoy the rest of the video.